How to arrange level 16, 7/10, 9/14, and 3/4 in order, starting with the smallest fraction to the largest. Hello, I am Roper, and welcome to Roper's Math. Here at Roper's Math, I help you to solve your math problems. In this video, we'll look at lowest common denominator. Then we'll use the principle to arrange fractions, starting with the smallest. Plus, I give you two fractions for you to practice. So now let's get into it. Okay, now so we have 11, 16, 7/10, 9/14, 3/4, and we want to put them in order. So we have to first find the lowest common denominator. Alright, so we have to find the lowest common denominator for 16, 10, 14, and 4. Just like finding the LCM. So we're going to find the LCM. First we have to find 16 and 10. We'll put 16 over 10. I divide both sides by 2 equals 16 into 8 into, no, 2 into 16 goes 8 and 2 into 10 goes 5. Right? So now we cross multiply. 16 times 5 equals 80. 10 times 8 equals 80. Alright? So we multiply this by this, that by that. Alright? So the LCM for 16 and 10 equals 80. And we have to find the LCM of 80 and the next number is 14. So we say 80 over 14. Alright? I'm going to divide both sides by 2. 2 into 8 is 40 and 2 into 14 7. 7 can't go into that. Alright? So we now cross multiply 80 by 7, 14 by 7. So 80 times 7 equals, it's a 560, and 14 times 40 equals 560. So the LCM of 80 and 40 is 560. Sorry about that. Alright, now we're going to find LCM of 560, and the next denominator is 4 and 4. Huh? So we have 560 over 4. I'm going to divide both sides by 4. Equal 4 into 560 goes 21, 25, 1, 4 into 16 goes 4. So 140 over 4 into 4, 1. Now we're going to cross multiply. 560 times 1 equals 560, and 4 times 140 equals 560. Alright, so the LCM of 560 and 4 equals 560. Okay, now that we show the denominator is 560, we can find the numerator for each of the fractions, right? Or the common denominator is 560. So first we divide 560 by 16. 560 divided by 16 equals, is 35, and then multiply 35 multiplied by 11 equal to 385. So 11/16 is equivalent to 385 over 560. Now we go for next fraction. 7/10 equal question over 560. Right? So we're going to divide 560 by 10. 560 divided by 10 equals 56. And 56 times 7 is equal to 392. So 7/10 is equivalent to 392 over 560. Remember, 560 is the common denominator. Alright? Now for 9/14. 9 over 14, and we know question sign over 560. So 14 into 560, so 560 divided by 14 equals 40. and then you have 40 multiplied by 9 is equal to, right, 4 nines, 36, 360. So 9 over 14 is equivalent to 360 over 560. Right? Next we look for 3 over 4 equal to question sign over 560. Alright, now so we're going to divide 560 divided by 4, which is equal to 140, and then 140 multiplied by 3 is equal to 420. So 3 over 4 is equivalent to 420 over 560. Alright, now we're going to write the fractions and then put them in order. Alright, so the first one we have is 385 over 560. Then we have 392 over 560. Then we have 360 over 560. And lastly, we have 420 over 560. Alright, so we can find the order now to arrange them. And this we can do by just looking at the numerator. So the lowest numerator will be first. So 360 over 560. And we have 360, 285, 385 over 560. And then we have 392 over 560. And then we have 420 over 560. Alright, so now we have these fractions and we have them in order here. 360, 385, 392, 420. Now we're going to put the original fractions, match the original fraction with these expanded fraction or enlarged fractions to see which one, how the order is set. Alright, so 360 would be 9 over 14, and then for 385 over 560 that would be 11, 16. And then now we have 392 over, oh, the rain is falling now, so 392 would be 7/10. And for 420 over 60 we have 3/4. So that is the order of these problems. 9/14 is the smallest, then next 11/16, then 7/10, then 3. Okay, this is the practice questions for you, my viewers. Arrange the two set of fractions in order, starting with the smallest. A, we have 3/8, 4, 7, 5, 9, 2/5. And for B, we have 3/16, 11/20, 7/10, and 3/5. If the video was helpful, like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share with family and friends who have problems with math. And if you have any other issues with problems like these, let me know in the comments.